Which of the following areas are an application of infrared emitting diodes? A. Intrusion alarms. B. Shaft encoders. C. Paper tape readers. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Schottky diodes are very effective at frequencies approaching A. 20 GHz. B. 10 MHz. C. 100 MHz. D. 1 MHz. The correct answer is 20 GHz. What is the voltage drop across Schottky diodes? A. 0V to 0.2V. B. 0.7V to 0.8V. C. 0.8V to 1.0V. D. 1.0V to 1.5V. The correct answer is 0V to 0.2V. In which region is the operating point stable internal diodes? A. Negative resistance. B. Positive resistance. C. Both negative and positive resistance. D. Neither negative nor positive resistance. The correct answer is positive resistance. What is the range of the varying capacitor CT in varactor diodes? A. 0 pF to 5 pF. B. 2 pF to 10 pF. C. 2 floor to 100 floor. D. 2 pF to 100 pF. The correct answer is 2 pF to 100 pF. What is the maximum temperature limit for liquid crystal displays LCDs? A. 10C. B. 30C. C. 60C. D. 100C. The correct answer is 60C. Which of the following diodes is limited to the reverse bias region in its region of operation? A. Schottky. B. Tunnel. C. Photodiode. D. Rectifier. The correct answer is photodiode. The majority of power diodes are constructed using A. Molybdenum. B. Platinum. C. Tungsten. D. Silicon. The correct answer is silicon. Which of the following are diodes? A. Schottky. B. Varactor. C. Tunnel. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is the limit of peak current IP internal diodes? A few microamperes to several hundred amperes. B. A few microamperes to several amperes. C. A few microamperes to several milliamperes. D. A few microamperes to several hundred microamperes. The correct answer is a few microamperes to several hundred amperes. What is the response time of LCDs? A. Less than 100 ns. B. 50 ms. C. 100 ms to 300 ms. D. 400 ms. The correct answer is 100 ms to 300 ms. What is the typical level of change in resistance per degree change in temperature? A. 1 to 2. B. 3 to 5. C. 7 to 10. D. 10 to 25. The correct answer is 3 to 5. What is the maximum peak voltage for tunnel diodes? A. 50 mV. B. 100 mV. C. 250 mV. D. 600 mV. The correct answer is 600 mV. This is an equivalent circuit for the diode. A. Schottky. B. Varicap. C. Tunnel. D. The correct answer is Varicap. Which of the following semiconductor materials are used for manufacturing solar cells? A. Gallium arsenide. B. Indium arsenide. C. Cadmium sulfide. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following semiconductor materials are used in the manufacturing of tunnel diodes? A. Germanium. B. Gallium. C. Both germanium and gallium arsenide. D. Silicon. The correct answer is both germanium and gallium arsenide. What is the power density received from the Sun at sea level? A 10 megawatt CM2, B 100 megawatt CM2, C 500 megawatt CM2, D 1 watt CM2. The correct answer is 100 megawatt CM2. The Varicap diode has a transition capacitance sensitive to the applied reverse bias potential that is a maximum at 0 volts and decreases with increasing reverse bias potentials. A logarithmically, B parabolically, C exponentially, D. The correct answer is exponentially. For a 50A unit, the PIV of the Schottky is about compared to 150 V for the P injection variety. A 25, B 50, C 75, D 100. The correct answer is 50. Which of the following metals are used in the fabrication of Schottky diodes? A molybdenum, B platinum, C tungsten, D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is the resistance of thermistors at boiling temperature 100 C? A 5K, B 1K, C 100, D 1. The correct answer is 100. Which of the following areas are applications of varactor diodes? A FM modulators, B automatic frequency control devices, C adjustable bandpass filters, D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. This is an approximate equivalent circuit for the diode. A Schottky, B Varicap, C tunnel, D. The correct answer is Schottky. Which of the following materials are used in the manufacturing of thermistors? A GE, B Si, C a mixture of oxides of cobalt, nickel, strontium or manganese, D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is the ratio IPIV for gallium arsenide? A 1:1, B 5:1, C 10:1, D 20:1. The correct answer is 21. What is the response time of light-emitting diodes LEDs? A less than 100 ns, B 50 ms, C 100 ms to 300 ms, D 400 ms. The correct answer is less than 100 ns. What type of temperature coefficient do thermistors have? A positive, B negative, C either positive or negative, D none of the above. The correct answer is either positive or negative. Which of the following diodes has a negative resistance region? A Schottky, B varactor, C tunnel, D power. The correct answer is tunnel. The tuning diode is a dependent variable. A voltage resistor, B current capacitor, C voltage capacitor, D current inductor. The correct answer is voltage capacitor. What is the resistance of thermistors at room temperature 20 C? A 5K, B 1K, C 100, D 1. The correct answer is 5K. What is the response time of cadmium sulfide CDS in photoconductive cells? A 100 ms, B 50 ms, C 25 ms, D 10 ms. The correct answer is 100 ms. The PIV rating of power diodes can be increased by stacking the diodes in series. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. What are the typical ranges of reverse bias current levels IS for low power and high power Schottky diodes at room temperature? A picoamperes nanoamperes, B nanoamperes microamperes, C microamperes milliamperes, D milliamperes amperes. The correct answer is microamperes milliamperes. The current capability of power diodes can be increased by placing 2 or more in series. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false.